Hi there. We're happy to speak volumes about FASS results and how they helped us sell our house in South Arlington. We had multiple offers in the end and ended up selling over list price.
I've known Megan for years, and we've actually worked with her and her team before. And I would recommend anybody to them. They took care of everything. She advised on pricing and up until listing, and actually recommended that we increase our price from what we were planning to list it for.
They
She,
recommended and got us staging,
Yep.
which really helped the
Yep.
sale of the house. She also negotiated everything for us.
Yep. Her team took care of everything, and it was a lot easier than it could have been, and the results were great. We got over asking. We had 2 contracts. She negotiated an appraisal gap that turns out that we needed, and here we are.
Couldn't be
Almost ready.
happier.
Yeah.